हेलो। वेलकम बच्चों। और क्योंकि हमने बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन कंप्लीट कर लिया है एनसीईआरटी से, तो हमारा फर्ज बनता है कि हम उसका पीवाईक्यू भी बनाएं, है कि नहीं? तो चलो उस फर्ज को पूरा करते हैं। बेटा, फर्ज पूरा नहीं करना है, नीट निकालना है, एमबीबीएस कॉलेज लेना है, वो भी बढ़िया गवर्नमेंट, ताकि वाइट कोट मिल सके। ठीक है, चलो ये हम आते हैं। क्वेश्चन देखो, पिक अप द रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट। इसमें से रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट कौन सा है? देखो कौन सा रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट है। न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन इज प्रेजेंट इन मोनेरा, गलत है, प्रेजेंट नहीं रहता है। बाकी आपका प्रोटिस्ट है, फोटोसिंथेटिक एंड हेट्रोट्रोपिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, सही है। सम फंगी आर एडिबल, सही है। सेल वॉल इज एब्सेंट इन एनिमिलिया, सही है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फाइव किंगडम सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन सजेस्टेड बाय आर एच वाटेकर इज नॉट बेस्ड ऑन। प्रेजेंस और एब्सेंस ऑफ वेल डिफाइंड न्यूक्लियस, इस पे बेस्ड नहीं था। ठीक है, आगे। In five kingdom system of classification, which single kingdom out of the following can include blue-green algae, nitrogen-fixing bacteria, and methanogenic archaebacteria? Monera. आगे। In five kingdom system, the main basis of classification is mode of nutrition. A system of classification in which a large number of traits are considered is natural system. Phylogenetic classification is based on common evolutionary descent. Artificial system of classification was first used by क्या हुआ? प्लिनी एंड इल्डर। ठीक है, आगे बढ़ो। System of classification used by Linus was artificial system. Classification given by Bentham and Hooker is natural. ठीक है, one scientist cultured cladophora in a suspicion of azotobacter and illuminated that culture by splitting light through a prism. He observed that bacteria accumulated mainly in the region of, बोल रहा है कि एक साइंटिस्ट है, वो कल्चर किया किसको? क्लैडोफोरा को। ठीक है, इन सस्पेंशन ऑफ एजिटोबैक्टर एंड illuminated द कल्चर बाय स्प्लिटिंग लाइट थ्रू अ प्रिज्म। प्रिज्म से लाइट मारा तो 7 कलर का मिला होगा लाइट। ये ऑब्जर्व दैट द बैक्टीरिया एक्यूमुलेटेड, ये ऑब्जर्व किया कि बैक्टीरिया सबसे ज़्यादा कौन से लाइट के पास है? बताओ। ब्लू एंड रेड लाइट। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट। मैच द फॉलोइंग इन कॉलम 1 विथ हैबिटेट। बताओ कौन सा होगा? इसका बी ऑप्शन होगा। ठीक है, ए का होगा 4 हेलोफाइल्स सॉल्टी एरिया। ठीक है, थर्मो एसिडोफाइल्स हॉट स्प्रिंग्स। ठीक है, मिथेनोजेंस गट ऑफ रिमिनेंट एनिमल। और लास्ट आपका जो है साइनोबैक्टीरिया एक्वेटिक इन्वायरमेंट। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट आगे बढ़ते हैं। विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ प्रोक्रियोट? कौन सा प्रोक्रियोट नहीं है? सैकरोमाइसिटीज। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर फाउंड इन एक्सट्रीम सलाइन कंडीशन? कौन सा होगा? जल्दी बताओ अब यार। आर्क बैक्टीरिया। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंपोनेंट प्रोवाइड स्टिकी कैरेक्टर टू बैक्टीरियल सेल? कौन सा होगा? ग्लाइकोकैलिक्स। Which among the following are the smallest living cell known without a definite cell wall, pathogenic to plants as well as animal, and can survive without oxygen? क्वेश्चन देख लिया, अब इधर देख लो। एक ही तो है यार, एनसीईआरटी का सीधा सीधा लाइन है। ठीक है, माइकोप्लाज्मा। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्ट्रक्चर इज नॉट फाउंड इन प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल? कौन सा जो प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल में नहीं मिलता है? न्यूक्लियर इन्वेलप, द स्ट्रक्चर दैट हेल्प सम बैक्टीरिया to attach to rocks and host tissue are fimbriae. Archaebacteria differs from eubacteria in cell membrane. The motile bacteria are able to move by flagella. Which of the following are likely to be present in deep sea water? Archaebacteria. A specialized cell for fixing atmospheric nitrogen in nostoc are heterocyst. The most abundant prokaryotes helpful to human in making curd from milk and in production of antibiotics are the ones considered as heterotrophic bacteria. The cyanobacteria are also referred to as, बताओ, blue green algae. How many organisms in this list given below are autotrophs? कितने इनमें से ऑर्गेनिज्म जो हैं वो हैं ऑटोट्रॉप्स? ये मैं क्वेश्चन देता हूँ आप लोगों को, ठीक है, एनसीईआरटी का एग्जाम्पल देखो और कमेंट करके बताओ इसके आंसर क्या होगा। ठीक है, मैं बस इतना बता देता हूँ आप लोगों को कि कितने इसमें ऑटोट्रोप हैं, 6। ठीक है, आगे। In eubacteria, a cellular component that resembles eukaryotic cell is plasma membrane. Organisms called methanogens are most abundant in cattle yard. Next, bacterial leaf blight of rice is caused by species of Xanthomonas. In light of recent classification of living organism into three domains of life, bacteria, archaebacteria and eubacteria, which one of the following statement is true about archaebacteria? जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ो और बताओ। Archaebacteria have some novel features that are absent in other prokaryotes and eukaryotes. ठीक है, Archaebacteria completely differ from prokaryotes, ये नहीं होगा, है ना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 29, थर्मोकोकस, मिथेनोकोकस एंड मिथेनोबैक्टीरियम एग्जाम्पलीफाई, बताओ कौन सा होगा। Archaebacteria that contain protein homologous to eukaryotic core protein. ठीक है, which of the following statement about mycoplasma is wrong? कौन सा स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है माइकोप्लाज्मा के बारे में? They are sensitive to penicillin, ये गलत है। तो माइकोप्लाज्मा क्या है? They are pleomorphic, they cause disease in plant, they are also called PPLO, ये सब सही है। In which of the in which of animal dimorphic nucleus is found? कौन सा होगा बताओ। पारामीसियम कॉर्डेटम। ठीक है, आगे बढ़ो। द मोस्ट थ्रूली स्टडीड फैक्ट ऑफ नोन बैक्टीरिया प्लांट इंटरेक्शन इज द, कौन सा होगा? गॉल फॉर्मेशन ऑन सर्टेन एंजियोस्पर्म बाय एग्रोबैक्टीरियम। आगे बढ़ो. The chief advantage of enlistment to an amoeba is क्या होगा? The ability to survive during adverse physical condition. Which bacteria is utilized in gobar gas plant? बताओ. Methanogens. Next question number 35 देखते हैं हम लोग. Which statement is correct for bacterial transduction? बताओ. Transfer of some gene from one bacterium to another through virus. Next question. What is true for cyanobacteria? Oxygenic with nitrogenase. What is true for archaebacteria? Oldest living being. The main difference in gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria resides in their cell wall. Photosynthetic bacteria have pigments in chromatophores. In prokaryotes, the genetic material is circular DNA, sorry, without histones. A few organisms are known to grow and multiply at temperature of 100 to 105 degrees Celsius. They belong to marine archaebacteria. 4:30 बज रहे हैं भाई रात के. आपके लिए मैं जग रहा हूँ. आप खुद के लिए तो जग ही सकते हैं, है ना. चलो क्वेश्चन करते हैं. अगला क्वेश्चन. Transfer of genetic information from one bacterium to another in the transduction process is through. बताओ. Bacteriophage released from the donor bacterial strain. ठीक है. The heredity material present in the bacterium Escherichia coli is double standard DNA. Sex factor in bacteria is F. replicon. Temperature tolerance of thermal blue-green algae is due to homopolar bond in their protein. ठीक है. Next. Nitrogen fixers soil organisms belong to bacteria. Antoneba coli causes E. coli causes इनमें से कोई भी नहीं है जो E. coli cause करता हो. ठीक है. E. coli is used extensively in biological research as it is easily cultured. Genophore. Bacterial genophore or nucleoid is made up of. बताओ जल्दी. A single double standard DNA. Bacteria lack alteration of generation because there is neither syngamy nor reduction division. Name the organism which do not derive energy directly or indirectly from sun. बताओ. Chemosynthetic bacteria. Which one belong to Monera? Escherichia. अब हम लोग आ जाते हैं टॉपिक 3 प्रोटिस्टा पे। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गेनिज्म आर नॉन एज चीफ प्रोड्यूसर इन ओशियन? Diatoms. Ciliates differ from other protozoans in having two type of nuclei. Chrysophyte, iglenoid, dinoflagellates, and slime moods are included in kingdom Protista. In which group of organisms the cell wall form two thin overlapping cells which fit together? Chrysophytes. In five kingdom classification, Chlamydomonas and Chlorella have been included in algae. Which one of the following organism is not an example of eukaryotic cell? Escherichia coli. Single-celled eukaryotes are included in Protista. Which of the following is slime mold? Physerum. The thalloid body of slime mold is known as Plasmodium. Oxopores and hormocytes are found respectively by several diatoms and few cyanobacteria. In amoeba and paramecium, osmoregulation occurs through contractile vacuoles. Which of the following organism possess characteristics of both plant and animal? Euglena. The main function of contractile vacuole in protozoa is osmoregulation. Macro and micro nucleus are characteristics feature of paramecium and porticella. Excretion in amoeba occurs through बताओ contractile vacuole. Next, protistian genome has membrane-bound nucleoprotein embedded in cytoplasm. Protists obtain food as photosynthesis, symbionts, and holotrophs. Next, protists include all the above. मतलब heterotrophs भी, chemoheterotrophs भी और chemoautotrophs भी. African sleeping sickness is due to Trypanosoma gambusi transmitted by Glossina palpalis. Genetic information in paramecium is contained in micronucleus. Next, which is true about trypanosoma? Polymorphic. Plasmodium, the malarial parasite, belongs to class Sporozoa. The causal organism for African sleeping sickness is T. gambusi. The vector for sleeping sickness is टीसे fly. ठीक है. Trypanosoma belongs to class Zooflagellator. A bite of tise fly may pass to human Trypanosoma gambusi. The infective stage of malarial parasite Plasmodium that enters human body is sporozoite. ठीक है. Which is common about trypanosoma. These are all unicellular protists. Next आ जाते हैं हम लोग फंगी में. Which of the following statement is incorrect? बताओ. Yeast are filamentous bodies with long thread-like hyphae. One of the major components of cell wall of most fungi is chitin. Which one of following statement is wrong? बताइए. Eubacteria are also called false bacteria. Which of the following matches is correct? Alternaria sexual reproduction absent deuteromycetes. True nucleus is absent in Annabella. The imperfect fungi, which are decomposer of litter and help in mineral cycling, belongs to deuteromycetes. Choose the wrong statement. में से wrong statement बताइए. Morels and truffles are poisonous mushroom. नहीं होगा. Morels and truffles are edible होता है. Neurospora is used in the study of biochemical genetics. सही है. Yeast is unicellular and used in fermentation. सही है. Penicillium is multicellular and produces antibiotic. ये भी सही है. Next, which of the following fungi consist hallucination? बताओ. Amanita muscaria. Which of the following is true for fungi? They are heterotrophs. Membrane-bound organelles are absent in Streptococcus. Next, which one is wrong pairing of the disease and its causal organism? बताइए. Late blight of potato, Alternaria solani. ये गलत है. बाकी black rust of wheat, Pusinia gramis, loose smut of wheat, Stiligo nuda, root knot of vegetable, Melongenia sp. Which pair of following belongs to Basidiomycetes? बताइए. Bird's nest fungi and puffball. Ergot of rye is caused by species of clavicaps. Which of the following environment conditions are essential for optimum growth of mucor on piece of bread? इसमें कौन कौन सा ऑप्शन सही है? Temperature at about 25 degrees Celsius, relative humidity of 95%, a steady place, यानी कि ये सही होगा. Viruses that infect bacteria multiply and cause their lysis are called lytic. Next, mycorrhiza represents बताओ. Symbiosis. Which of the following secretes toxin during storage condition of crop plants? फ्यूसेरियम. ठीक है. बोलो. यार तुम लोग कुछ बोलते नहीं हो यार. स्पेरिगस होगा इसका. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट 98. Which fungal disease spread by seed and flowers? Loose smut of wheat. Plant decomposers are Monera and fungi. Adhesive pad of fungi penetrates the host with the help of mechanical pressure and enzymes. Good green manure in rice field is azolla. In fungi, stored food material is glycogen. नेक्स्ट आपका ब्लैक रस्ट ऑफ व्हीट इज काउज्ड बाय. बताओ. पुसीनिया. ठीक है. पुसीनिया फॉर्म्स यूरेडिया एंड टीलिया ऑन wheat leaves. Mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association of plant root and certain fungi. ठीक है. Which of the following is not correctly matched? बताओ. Covered smut of barley Stiligo nuda. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट 107. The chemical components produced by host plant to protect themselves against fungal infection is phytoalexis. White rust disease is caused by Albugo candida. Stiligo causes plant disease called smut because affected plants become completely black. Clavicaps purpura is causal organism of ergot of rye. Absorptive heterotrophic nutrition is exhibited by fungi. Which of the following is correct about viroids? They have free RNA without protein coat. Which of following statement is incorrect? बताइए कौन सा इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है इसमें से. इन्फेक्टिव कंस्टिट्यूएंट इन वायरस इज प्रोटीन कोट. ये गलत है. क्या होता है उसका जेनेटिक मटेरियल. Mad cow disease in cattle is caused by an organism which has abnormally folded protein. Viroids differ from viruses in having RNA molecules without protein coat. Which of the following statement is wrong for viroids? Their RNA is of high molecular weight. Which of the following so-called RNA stand and capsomere? Tobacco mosaic disease. Viruses have DNA enclosed in protein coats. Satellite RNA are present in some viroids. Which statement is wrong for viruses? All of them have helical symmetry. Next, question number 121. Virus envelope is known as capsid. The causative agent of mad cow disease is a prion. Viruses are no more alive than isolated chromosomes because both require the environment of cell to replicate. Next, which of the following statement about viruses is correct? Viruses are obligate parasite. Tobacco mosaic virus is a tubular fragment of size 300 into 20 nanometer. Cauliflower mosaic virus contains double stranded DNA. Enzymes are absent in viruses. The virus can be considered a living organism because it reproduces inside the host. Which of the following statement about viruses is correct? Viruses contain either DNA or RNA. Influenza virus has RNA. Tobacco mosaic virus TMV genes are single stranded RNA. Rickettsial. Rickettsial constituent a group under independent group between bacteria and viruses. Next, which of the following statement is correct? Lichens do not grow in polluted areas. Which of the following are most suitable indicator of SO2 pollutant in environment? Lichens. Which one single organism or the pair of organism is correctly assigned to its taxonomic group? Nostoc and Annabelle are example of Protista. Next, there exists a close association between the algae and fungi within a lichen, the fungus. Provide protection, encouragement, and absorption for the alga. Lichens are well-known combination of an alga and a fungus, where fungus has a symbiotic relationship with the alga. Most of the lichens consist of blue-green algae and ascomycetes. Which one of the following is not true about lichens? These grow in very fast. These grow very fast at a rate of about 2 centimeter per year. Organisms which are indicator of SO2 pollution of air. Lichens. Lichens indicate SO2 pollution because they grow faster than others. तो यहीं पे बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन का सारा 141 क्वेश्चन भी कंप्लीट हो गया. प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन अच्छे से कीजिए और एनसीईआरटी पढ़िए और कुछ नहीं करना है ना. थैंक यू.